Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Today we will solve exercise 1.4 and these questions 1, 2 and 3. Exercise 1.4, first of all simplify the followings, and second question simplify using the law of exponent, and third simplify using law of exponent. Okay, now let's start question number 1. Exercise 1.3, question number 1. Now write base and exponent of the following. Now you know that 1 in question number 1, 3 is a base and the power of 3 is we call exponent. And question number 2, 1 upon 2 is called base and the power of 1 upon 2 is a 3, so which is called exponent. Now question number 3, and the number minus 30, which is base and the power of 30 is 29, which is exponent power. We can write in this form table base and exponent separately. Now question number 2, identify the radicand and index of the following. You know, radicand means a number which is in the form of root, and the power of root we know that, and the inside of root is called index. Now 5x upon y and x square y is called index, and the power of the root is called radicand number. 3 we can write in the form of 1 upon 3, so index is equal to 3, and the radicand, and we can says in question number 2 part 2 x upon y is radicand and the 4 is index, and again we can see 5 is the index. Okay, this is the separate table for radicand and index table. Now question number 3, transfer the following into exponential form. Now we can exponential form question number 3 upon 4 under the root solution. We can write root in the form of 1 upon 2. This is form exponential form. Now change root into this form is called exponential form, and this is called radicand form. Now question number 2, x upon y and its power of 5. Now first of all we will change in the root is value of root is equal to 1 upon 2. Now we change in the form of exponential form. Now multiply 5 multiply by 1 is equal to 5 upon 2. This is called exponential form. And again we can see here x y upon x is equal to minus 5. Now we can write root of 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. Root of 3 is in the form of index, so we can change into radicand of 1 upon 3 exponential form. Now change y upon x is equal to minus 5 upon 3. 5 multiplied by 1 minus 5 upon 3. Now if we change to minus into plus sign, we can take reciprocal of y upon x into x upon y. Now when we change x upon y, take reciprocal, the power of this number change into plus. Now question number 4 again is the question, and 2 3 in the form of index we can change into exponential form. Now we can write such like that yz as 8 and 7 is the power, and we can change of 3 into 1 upon 3 power of root. So yz 7 upon 3, 7 multiplied by 1, 7 upon 3 is in the form of exponential form. Now question number 6, you can again change into exponential form. Minus 64 power of 2 as it is, and we can change of root power 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. And now multiply 2 into 1, 2 upon 3 is in the form of exponential form. Now question number 7, 1 upon 2 power m and the root is power of 3. Solutions: first of all we will change into root of 3 into 1 upon 3, and inside of root this number same as it is we can write. Now change m multiplied by 1, we can write this form exponential m upon 3, 1 upon 2 of power m upon 3 is exponential form. Now question number 8, again change into exponential form. Xy same as it is, power of 3. Now change the root of 5 into 1 upon 5, and the multiply of 3 into power numerator of 1 upon 5 is 3 upon 5. This is again exponential form. Now again in these questions it consists of the root of the root of 3. Now first of all we will change the exponential form of this root 1 upon 3, and the internal of 1 upon 4 upon 3 root same as it is we can write. Now in next step we change again this root into, and when there is no any number we can consider to root is equal to 1 upon 2. If there is a 3 number, and we can write power of root 1 upon 3, and if the root is in this form we can write the value of root is 1 upon 2. Now again both numbers are multiply power to each other, 1 upon 2 multiply 1 upon 3. Now base, and now we can multiply exponentials power numerator with numerator and denominator multiply with denominator. 2 multiplied by 3 6, 1 multiplied by 1. This is the pure form of exponential form. Now transfer the following into radical form. Now this is the exponential form. In previous questions we have changed the radical form into exponential form. Now we will again change this exponential form. We can will back to see you. Now this is form of radical form, we change into exponential forms. Okay, now again we will change the, in question number 4, transfer the into radical form. This is exponential form. We know that 1 upon 7 is equal to, in a radical form, power of root 7. So as it is same number. Now again we will change into a radical form. First of all 1 upon 3 is equal to root of 3. This is radical form. Now we can change again 5 upon 3 3 and power of 3, which is same as it is. Now we can multiply first of all 3 into 5 upon 7. Now 15 upon 7. So now we can write that 5 upon 7 into 15. So 1 upon 7, which is equal to under the root of 7 of power 7. This is radical form. Now question number 2, question number 4. Now this is again we change into radical form. First of all a upon b minus, we will change into b upon a, and in this is a upon b form. Now this is the we will take reciprocal of b upon a. Now a upon b, we will change the minus of sign into plus sign if we take reciprocal of fraction. Now plus sign into change into minus sign change into plus sign. Now we take the power of a upon b m, and 1 upon 2 is the outside of bracket and the right of power of this number. Now we know that 1 upon 2 is equal to root of this number. So we will change in, so this is the change into radical form. This is a radical form of this number, and this is exponential form, and this is radical form. Now question number 1, okay, we have done exercise 1.3. now we will start exercise 1.4. okay, exercise in 1.4, simplify the following. Now first of all we will change simplify, and second, simplify using law of exponent, and third, simplify using law of exponent. Okay, let's start now. Okay, question number 1, simplify the following. We can write 3 power of 5, 3 upon 5. Okay, simply 3 of power 5 divided by 3 of 2. Now 3 of power 5 is same as it is. Now we will change the base or same. We can write in this form 3 and power of 3 into minus. Okay, change this number into exponential form, and the 3 is the base. When we take reciprocal of this number, and 3 power minus 2, and this power change into minus sign. Now base are same, 3 and 3 base same. We can add 5 and minus 2, and now 5 minus 2 power 3. When we 3 multiply into 3 times is equal to 27. This is called simplification of this number. Now 7 is multiply. We can multiply 7 into 3 times. Okay, I will try to write this number change into when we multiply 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Now when we multiply 3 times, which is equal to 27. Okay, now in other questions we can do this technique. Okay, question number 2. Now again, first of all, change into same base of this question. 2 power 4 and multiply 5 power 3 divided by 10 power 2. Now first of all, I will try to solve the factors of 10 into 5 dot 2. This is the 5 multiplied by 2, 10. This is the factors, and we will make same factors in this numerators and denominators are same base. First of all, now 2 power 4 and 5 power 3 same as it is. Now we divide the distributions law of power. 2 multiplied by 5 power again, and 2 again power with 2. Now we can change of 2 and 2 are base are same, so we can change in this form. 4 minus 2 and 5 base are same, so we can 3 as it is, and the minus 2 is the base of 5. So this is we change exponential form, so we can base are same, so write the power in this form. 4 minus 2 2 and 3 minus 2 1. So 2 2s are 4, 5 1s are 5, so 4 multiplied by 5, 20. Now again question number 3. Now we change this a plus b and power 2 dot c plus d power 3 divided by a plus b dot c plus d power 2. Now this base are same, a plus b numerators and denominators base are same. Now c plus d and c plus d both base are same. Now we compare the now we take the power of 2 minus 1, because the a plus b is a same base and a plus b, so we can add the bases of both number of power 1. Suppose here a 1 number, so the power of 1 we will take its reciprocal, we can change into minus 1. Now c plus d of power 3 same as it is, and c plus d is the power of 2, so we can change 2 into minus 2. This is the base, or these base are same, so we can write power in this form. a plus b into b power 1 because 2 minus 1 1 and c plus d 3 minus 1 2, 3 minus 2 1. So this is the answer of this question. Now question number 4, minus 3 multiply 5 power 2 into exponential 3. So first of all we can distribute 3 power 3 and multiply 5 power 2 multiply by 3, and this is the distribution law of power. Now 3 is a 9 and 5 to the 6. This is a simplify of this question. Now question number 5, minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 of power 2 and the whole power of 3. Now first of all I will try to solve the bracket and the distribution law of 3. Again multiply each number individually inside the bracket. 3 power of 3 multiplied by minus 4 2 multiplied by 3. Now 3 as it is same and minus 2 3 is a 6. This is the simplify of this question. Question number 6, minus a upon bc multiplied by minus a upon bc of power 4 and 5. Now solutions we can write this base are same, a upon b minus c and a upon b c, these are same base. Now we can write the powers are each 5 plus 4 and which is 9. This is answer. Question number 7, all bases are same in this question. Now we can write the power of each questions. We can write 2 3 and 5 of these bases power we can write in this form. So when we add 2 plus 3 5 and 5 plus 5 10, so we can write in this form of single base of these power. Now question number 7. Now in this questions first of all I will check the how many same bases. M and M are same, N and N are same, T and T base are same. So we can write M power 1 and M power 5 we can add, base are same. Now second T N power of N2 and power of N3 we can write in this form. T we can write in this form T power 4 and T power 7 are same. Now 8 5 plus 1 6 and 2 plus 3 5 and 4 plus 7 11. Now this is the simplified form of this question. And question number 6 question number 11, 3 upon 5 R3 S2 R7 T2 and S2. Now first of all we can write same bases. We can write the power of these same bases R3 and R7, S2 and S2 are same, T2 and T2 is a single and no any same base of T, so we can write same as it is T, and 10 7 and 10 and 4 2 plus 2 4 and T power 2. This is the simple form of this question. Now question number 12, these are same bases. You can see here 4 5 3 are the powers of same bases. Now we can add these powers 4 5 and 3 12, and we can write 12 is an even number, so we minus minus plus, so we can write in this form M upon M 12. Now question number 3, simplify the law of exponent. Now again law of exponent means that if a power of m and the whole power of n, now we can write into mn of power, so we can multiply 5 multiplied by 3 into 5 to the 6. This is the law of exponent. Now again you can change into exponential form, xy power 3 into power 5. Now you can do law of exponent. We can first of all multiply 3 5 multiplied by 5, and we can 3 multiplied by 15 and apply again law of exponents for individual each numbers inside the bracket. 15 and 15 we can write with 4x, and 15 of y of power 15 with y. Now in this question we can log in law of exponent. 2 multiplied by 5 10, and the power of 4 is 10, so minus 4 change to plus because the 10 is an even number. So even number is when the even number we can take as power, it change into plus sign. Now question number 4, minus 3 of power 3 and minus 4 of power 2 and the whole brackets of 3 in both these numbers. First of all we will apply the law of exponents. Again same question we can write here. Now 3 multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplied by 2. When we apply law of exponent for each, when we apply law of exponents, the individually each power of this we can multiply of the whole power. Now 3 multiplied by 3 9, and 2 multiplied by 3 6. Okay, now again we can change into this form to law of exponent form. B power 2 upon 5, the power of 2 b2, and 3 same mysteries questions. First of all apply law of exponent. 3 multiplied by 2 and 5 upon 3, because the law of exponent 3 power we can write inside the bracket of each number's base, each number of power multiplied by the whole power of 3. And 2 multiplied by 3 6, and 5 as it is. Okay, question number 6, minus 4 upon 9 into whole power 2 and power 3. First of all we will multiply 2 multiplied by 3. You can see here 2 multiplied by 3 into 6, and we can write 6 in the form of 4 and with respect to and to 9. Now again in these questions the power consists of 3 terms, z power and the power of g3 and power of whole number is 4. Now first of all outside of a number 4 multiply by this number, 4 multiplied by 3 and 12, and now 12 is again multiplied by 3, so you can write 12 multiplied by 3 36. Okay, now in this question 8 you can see here, first of all we can write this form as it is, and now we will multiply 5 into 2 we can write 5 to 10, and the power of we can write 10, and you can see here. And in next step in these questions m and m 3 times in the power of m, 2 and 3 and 4 we can write the base of powers this form. Now we can add 8 4 5 6 7 8 9. Oh, it means it's here question 8 power 9. Okay, now we can write here for 2 3 and 4 9 and the power of 10. Now we can multiply law of exponent, each of number multiplied by n power 10, and when 9 multiplied by 10, 9 multiplied by 90. Question number 9. Now in the questions base are same, 0.1 0.1 0.1 base are same. So in this question again right here, and base of same we can write in this form, 2 plus 3 plus 4. So we can multiply by 9 and the power of n, 9 multiplied by 2 you can write in this form, and we can write in the 18, and the minus we can write in the plus form. This is a exponential form of power. We can change the base into exponential form and let's write in this form and practice these questions. Try to solve, transfer in the following to exponential form, and question number 5 and this part, and exercise 1.4 change into these, apply question number 9 and question number 10. Okay, thank you for watching in this video.